Hello and good morning, my Artsly family. Hope you all are doing good. Today I will share another art form of India, which is my favorite, and it is famous Warli art of Maharashtra. Warli painting was originated in Maharashtra, India. This Warli style is made by tribal people. It is found that the tribal people from North Sahyadri range practiced Wali art styles. Wali art was first discovered in the early 70s. These Wali or Varli Adivasis used to live in mountainous as well as coastal areas of Maharashtra, Gujarat border or surrounding areas. Wali paintings are rudimentary wall painting that use a very basic graphic vocabulary like a circle, a triangle, and a square. Their respect for nature is from the most gigantic to the smallest creature and plant. The figures and traditional motifs are repetitive and highly symbolic. They communicate through their paintings and their lifestyle and passion for nature and depicted with utmost details. Human figures were found to be drawn with circle used as head, triangles for body, and stick-like hand and legs. Geometric designs with rows of dots and dashes are drawn in the mud walls of the huts of the tribals. Straight lines were hardly found in Wali art. A series of dots and dashes make one line. The subjects found in Wali art are descriptive harvest scene, urban or rural lives, marriage ceremonies, details of marriage functions, the musicians, dancing ladies, birds, trees, hearts, dancing peacock, etc. etc. In Maharashtra, The famous Wali paintings are done during the marriage ceremony named as Lagnacha Chowk, which is a must in marriages, and it's sacred too. The married women, called Savasini, paint a chalk or square on the walls. Discuss about the use of colors in Wali paintings are black, brick red, indigo, ochre, henna and white. As a paint brush, they used to use one-sided chewed bamboo sticks. A painted red ochre background acts as a canvas. These arts are simply painted on mud, cow dung, charcoal based surface with rice paste for the white color. The art form deals with themes that narrate their social lifestyle and activities. Wali paintings are strangely aesthetic, unlike other folk paintings of India, which consist of myriad primary colors in such abundance. Instead, they are painted in white on an austere brown surface decorated with occasional dots in red and yellow. So guys, I hope you all liked the video. If so, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in another interesting video. Till then, all of you, keep smiling, be happy. Bye bye.